Good morning, students. Welcome. We are starting with our SEM 2 first chapter, but it is the 10th chapter of your textbook, that is Reaching the Age of Adolescence, Part 1. So now we'll be starting with this chapter. The first topic of this chapter, introductory topic, is adolescence and puberty. What is adolescence? Let's see first the definition. The period of life between 11 years and 19 years when the body undergoes changes leading to the reproductive maturity in both boys and girls, is called adolescence. That period of life, that is between the age of 11 years and 19 years, which you normally call as teenage, is known as adolescence period, because this age leads to the reproductive maturity. The individual is able to reproduce during this age period. The reproductive organs begin to develop. Between the ages of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescents. Very important. At this age period, children are called adolescents. During this period, adolescents are called teenagers. We also call them as teenagers. So, what is puberty? During adolescence, the body undergoes several changes and becomes capable of reproduction. During this phase of life, that is during the adolescent phase of life, body undergoes many changes and the individual or a person becomes capable of reproduction. Reproduction, you all have studied what is reproduction in chapter number 9 and SEM 1. Reproduction is giving birth to the new generation. Yes. These changes are the beginning of puberty. So we call it as the beginning of puberty. Now, growing up is a natural process. Students, you know that growing up is a natural process, and the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. That period of life is called adolescence. And adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. It is probably 18 or 19 years of age. Since this period covers the teens, what is the word used? It is teens. That is why we call them as teenagers. That is 13 to 18 or 19. It depends on the specific individual. Adolescents are also called teenagers. In girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in boys. Girls जो हैं उनमें हो सकता है adolescence can begin year or two, 1 या 2 साल पहले boys से उनमें ये adolescent period start हो सकता है, probably होता है. Also the period of adolescence varies from person to person. पर्सन टू पर्सन ये पीरियड भी वेरी करता है. सब में सभी पर्सन्स में एक ही टाइम पे एडोलेसेंस आई मीन्स मेरा फ्रेंड है कोई भी, उसको 12 ईयर्स में एडोलेसेंट एज डेवलप होने लगी, चेंजेस आने लगे, तो किसी को 13 ईयर्स से भी होता है. सो इट वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence and several changes are seen in the human body. These changes marks the onset of puberty. Onset means starting of puberty. The most important change which marks puberty is that boys and girls become capable of reproduction. They have become capable of reproduction. And puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity, or complete reproductive maturity attain करने के बाद the period which ends there, we call that this is the end of puberty. So what is adolescence and puberty? I hope it is clear to all of you. In this period, you can mark changes in the body and it will last for some time. All of you will mark some changes are occurring in your body. Actually, it is a strange period of life when you are neither a child nor an adult. You are neither a child nor an adult. Understood, students? Now, what are the changes that occurs at puberty? We will study about the changes that take place at the time of puberty. Let's see what are these changes. You might have noticed that there is sudden increase in height and hairline above the lips in boys. Boys में कभी कभी height में sudden increase आ जाता है या hairline develop होती है उनके above the lips. These all are the signs of adolescence. They wanted to know more what are the we will know about what more changes takes place at the time of puberty. Now first is, you can see one by one, increase in height. Second is change in body shape. Third is voice change. Fourth, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Next, development of sex organs. And then sixth is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. So these are the changes which probably occur in all boys and girls at the time of puberty. Now one by one we will see the changes which take place. The first change is increase in height. So increase in height is the most conspicuous change. Conspicuous means important change during puberty. Is the sudden increase in height. The most conspicuous important change which occurs during the puberty is increase in height. The height shoots up of all the individual. अचानक से height में काफी shoot up आ जाता है. At this time, the long bones, that is the bones of arms and the legs, elongate and make a person tall. Bones अचानक से लंबे होने लगते हैं और वो person को tall जैसी feeling देता है. Bones elongate हो जाते हैं, बढ़ने लगते हैं, length में increase हो जाते हैं. So this is a very important change which takes place, and the conspicuous first change which you can notice, noticeable change I can say, is increase in height. By the age of 11, a boy reaches about 80% of his height and the girl reaches about 88% of her height. 11 years की एज तक बॉयज लगभग अपनी 80% ऑफ हाइट पे रीच कर जाते हैं एंड गर्ल्स रीचेस अप टू द 88%, बिकॉज गर्ल्स में जो चेंजेस होते हैं वो थोड़े ज्यादा जल्दी होते हैं कंपेयर टू बॉयज. बट इनिशियली गर्ल्स ग्रो फास्टर देन बॉयज. By about the 18 years of age, both boys and girls reach their maximum height. No doubt, the girls grow faster than boys. बट जब 18 ईयर्स की एज पे दोनों पहुंचते हैं तो दोनों अपनी मैक्सिमम हाइट अटेन कर चुके होते हैं. दे अटेन देयर मैक्सिमम हाइट. मीन्स जनरली आफ्टर द 18 years of age your increase in height stop. This is the maximum height. जो भी height attain की, that will be your lifetime height. Generally the height is similar to the parents because it depends on the genes inherited from the parents. Mostly जो height होती है आपके parents के height के ऊपर depend करती है. कोई लोग ज़्यादा लंबे होते हैं, जिनके parents लंबे होंगे तो वो लोग भी ज़्यादा height attain करेंगे. जिनके parents short हैं तो वो बच्चे भी कम height attain कर सकते हैं. So this is all because of the heredity character. Height is actually the heredity character. Then average rate of growth. This is one table which is also shown in your textbook. You can see, means during the age of 8, boys will show the 72% of height increase and girls will show 77%. Like उनमें दोनों में दिखाया गया है किस एज में क्या हाइट इंक्रीज होती है. बॉयज का अलग होता है, गर्ल्स का अलग होता है. परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइट इज शोन. लाइक यू कैन सी फॉर 12 years बॉयज अटेंड 84% एंड गर्ल्स अटेंड 91%. गर्ल्स का मोस्टली ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि वो जल्दी उनमें डेवलपमेंट आता है. बट एट द एज ऑफ 18 years यू कैन सी बोथ विल अटेंड 100% हाइट. 18 years पहुंचते पहुंचते भले गर्ल्स रेस में आ गए हैं बट 18 years पे एज पे दोनों 100% हाइट अटेंड कर लेंगे. प्रोबेबली गर्ल्स तो 17 years पे अटेंड कर लेती है. So please go through this table. This will show you how the average rate of growth takes place in boys and girls. Then what is the calculation for full height? One calculation is also given, which is the activity of your textbook. Means how you can calculate present height into 100 upon the percentage of full height at this age. This is the calculation for full height. Example is given. You can see, you can relate a boy is 9 years old and 120 centimeter 12. At the end of the growth period, he is likely to be, what is 120 centimeter, its height, tall, upon 75 into 100. This will give you, he will attain 160 centimeter tall. He will become percentage of full height. Percentage कैसे है? जैसे 9 years है, you can see the table. 9 years पे boys की percentage 75 होती है. Yes, तो यहाँ पे ये जो 75 है वो उसकी 9 years की percentage है. So this calculation shows how the बॉय और गर्ल, ये कैलकुलेशन से आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि ही इज लाइकली टू अटेन 160 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ द हाइट. अंडरस्टूड? एट द एंड ऑफ ग्रोथ पीरियड मीन्स जब उसका ये ग्रोथ पीरियड खत्म होगा तो ही विल बी नियरली ऑफ 160 सेंटीमीटर टॉल. यस स्टूडेंट्स? Yes students, we just saw that by the age of 11 a boy has reached 81% of his height while the girl will reach 88% of her full height. So वी विल ड्रॉ 81 और 88 11 ईयर्स तक हो जाती है, उसके बाद ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस आते हैं. यू कैन सी उसी टेबल को लेके, जो आपने टेबल देखा अभी जस्ट प्रीवियस ये टेबल देखा ना, इसके बेसिस पे ग्राफ बनाया गया है. अगर ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे यू कैन सी द रेड लाइन इज यूज्ड फॉर बॉय एंड द ब्लू वन इज यूज्ड फॉर गर्ल. गर्ल्स की भी देखो इंक्रीज बॉयज से ज्यादा दिख रहा है, इंक्रीज उनका ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया गया है. व्हाट इज टेकन ऑन एक्स एक्सिस? दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस and this is y-axis. Yes students, on x-axis age is taken and on y-axis percentage of height is taken. So if you draw the graph according to the table which we have seen earlier, you will see that the graph is increasing. Girls का ज़्यादा height दिखा रहा है, but at the age of 18 years both will reach the 100% together. Yeah, so this is all related to your activity 1 of the textbook. Now changes in body shape. We will see the next topic is change in body shape. What is change seen in boys? The shoulders become broader and the chest becomes wider. In case of boys, you can note that the shoulders portion जो होता है that becomes broader, चौड़ा हो जाता है, and the chest also becomes wider. The muscles of the body grow prominently. Body के जो muscles हैं वो prominently grow करने लगते हैं, very prominent हो जाते हैं. And girls में the region below the waist becomes wider. कमर के नीचे जो पोर्शन होता है गर्ल्स का, it becomes wider, चौड़ा हो जाता है. And the muscles of the body do not grow prominently. Means उनके muscles जैसे boys के muscles दिखने लगते हैं, जिन्हें आप बोलते हैं बॉडी बिल्डिंग, boys में वो दिखने लगते हैं, but girls में इतना prominently नहीं दिखते हैं. So these are the change in the body shape in both, that is in case of boys and in case of girls. You can note them during the period of puberty. Thus changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. Boys में अलग कुछ changes दिखते हैं और girls में अलग दिखते हैं. Next is voice change. Voice में जो change आता है. Actually, sometimes you must have noticed that the voice of some boys in your class appears like it has cracked. बहुत ही ऐसे खरखराश वाला आवाज नोट कर सकते हैं आप बॉयज की आवाज में. एक्चुअली एट प्यूबर्टी द वॉइस बॉक्स, हम जिसे वॉइस बॉक्स कहते हैं, और द अदर नेम फॉर इट इज लैरिंग्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट बिगिंस टू ग्रो, साइज में बढ़ने लगता है. फॉर बॉयज it is given boys develop larger voice boxes. Boys have a deep and hoarse voice. The larynx is visible clearly. जो उनका voice box है वो clearly visible होता है, जो boy larynx होता है boys के केस में. Yeah, so their voice box जो होता है वो increase होता है size में, उनके आवाज hoarse हो जाती है, थोड़ी कड़ाकेदार हो जाती है. And in case of girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside. Girls have a high-pitched voice. High-pitched voice means थोड़ा ऐसे shrill आवाज होता है, pitch ज़्यादा होती है, चीखती है तो गर्ल्स की आवाज कैसे, बॉयज की आवाज भारी होती है बट गर्ल्स की पिच ज़्यादा होती है वॉइस की. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस विच टेक्स प्लेस इन वॉइस चेंज इन केस ऑफ बॉयज एंड girls. You can see one more thing here. It is given Adam's apple. हम किसे कहते हैं? The growing voice box, जिसे larynx भी कहा गया था, can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. आप boys में हमेशा notice करेंगे ये वाली चीज जिसे हम Adam's apple कहते हैं. ये जो दिखाया गया है ना फिगर में, एक अलग से ऐसे फूला हुआ ऐसे राउंड सर्कल टाइप आपको ऐसे बॉल जैसा उनके थ्रोट में दिखाई देगा. दिस इज एक्चुअली द वॉइस बॉक्स जो बॉयज में दिखाई देता है बट गर्ल्स में भी डेवलप होता है, दिखता नहीं है. बॉयज का इजिली इट इज विजिबल. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एडम्स एप्पल. इस पार्ट को एडम्स एप्पल भी कहा गया है बिकॉज ये एप्पल की तरह राउंड शेप में दिखता है. सो दिस इज विजिबल इन केस ऑफ बॉयज. व्हाट हैपेंस इन case of adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control. कभी कभी muscles जो होती है out of control हो जाती है and the voice becomes hoarse, ज़्यादा ऐसे खरखराश वाला हो जाता है. But this state may remain for few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. और कुछ टाइम के बाद ये voice normal हो जाता है. So this was the change in voice which we saw now. Next is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Sweat glands किसे बोलते हैं? जो आपको पसीना आता है that are sweat glands, और जिससे आपके बॉडी में ऑयल सीक्रेशन होता है that are called sebaceous gland. The secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands, that is oil glands, increases. उनका secretion, उनका जो secretion होता है liquid produce करने की जो क्षमता होती है, that increases, वो increase होने लगती है. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. जो pimples develop होते हैं आपके skin में, काफ़ी सारों को acne और pimple problem हो जाता है, boys और girls को काफ़ी probably इस age में, that is because of increased activity of these two glands. Which are these two glands? That are sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands are oil glands. What are these glands? Let's see. Sweat and sebaceous glands, these glands release their secretion through ducts. Ducts के through ऐसे ये secretions release करते हैं. And endocrine glands, these glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream, so they are also termed as ductless glands. इनको हम ductless glands भी बोलते हैं because directly ये hormones कहाँ release करते हैं? Bloodstream में release करते हैं. Now next is our development of sex organs. Of course sex organs जो होते हैं boys and girls में, उनमें भी काफ़ी development होता है. For in case of boys, the testes and penis develops completely. There is complete development in the testes and penis in case of boys. And the testes also begin to produce sperms. Sperms are the male gametes which are able to help in reproduction. So these sperms are, testes begin to produce these sperms during the age of adolescence. And in girls, the ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. Ovaries जहाँ पे egg enlarge होने लगती है, उनकी size बढ़ने लगती है, and eggs begin to mature eggs होने लगते हैं. Also ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Ovaries जो होती हैं mature eggs release करना start करती हैं at the age of adolescence. So these are the development in the sex organs for boys and girls. Now reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Actually students, adolescence is also a period of change in person's way of thinking भी काफ़ी change होने लगती है. Adolescence, like mental maturity, it is the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. इस time पे brain की capacity learn करने में ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. ये time आप अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हैं, आपकी brain की capacity बहुत ज़्यादा strong होती है. So ये age में आपको अपने studies पे concentrate करेंगे तो आप उसको ज़्यादा catch कर पाएंगे. So the mental maturity increases, then intellectual maturity. The change in a person's way of thinking person की increase हो जाती है. Means adolescents they spend considerable time in thinking. ज़्यादा time spend करते हैं सोचने में, समझने में. The person feels more independent than before and also becomes self-conscious. Self-conscious भी हो जाते हैं, अपने आप को self-conscious समझने लगते हैं कि हम लोग independent हैं और अपने decisions ले सकते हैं. इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी भी आती है कुछ लोगों में जो बहुत ही उनको परेशान भी करती है. अ पर्सन मे फील इनसिक्योर while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and mind. Insecurity feel होने लगती है, but as an adolescent learner, students, you should know that there is no reason to feel insecure. These changes are a natural part of growing up and they are going to occur in all the individuals. So you should never feel insecure. Changes जो body में आते हैं ना, तो काफ़ी सारे teenagers जो होते हैं, adolescents होते हैं, वो insecurity feel करते हैं. उनको थोड़ा सा अजीब सा feel होने लगता है. They feel awkward, but this is not the time to feel awkward. You should realize that this is going to occur. One day or other, this change will occur in everyone's body. So it is no need to feel insecure. So I hope students you understood this topic. For this part, next topics we will discuss in our next video. For this video, this much only. Go through the video once again and topics. Yes, students. Thank you, students. Keep learning. Stay safe.